everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Yanga takes back her power by choosing how her story will be told. Lwandle returns hoping for forgiveness, but the past refuses to let go. And as one family heals, another wound is torn wide open on Tuesday. Lwandle's unexpected return leaves the Mbandla shaken to their core. Azande's decision to become a man brings both celebration and unresolved pain. And Yanga comes home carrying scars no family can ignore. On Wednesday, Yanga refuses to be anyone's victim, but her new strength comes at a cost. As Azande prepare for manhood, old wounds slowly begin to heal, and someone quietly starts pulling the strings at Zondo. Text on Thursday. As Azande's journey into a manhood begins, the Ngukana unite in celebration. Sydney's proudest business moment quickly turned into a public relations disaster, and an unexpected arrival changes the mood of the entire family on Friday. A simple act of remorse erupts into a moment no one will ever forget. Love finds its way back to Lazarus and Zolega when they need it most, and as Azande leaves boyhood behind, another family begins to fall apart. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.